Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video gonna very important, especially who are working on Facebook ads and Facebook marketing, basically the paid marketing, and you are thinking to run Facebook ads. So before that, you have to analyze your competitor. Okay, it's really important. So every business has a competitor. You should know the competitor, either they are running any business ads or not, and what kind of business ads they are running. It's really important to know that. So here is a list of Facebook page, and I will show you easiest way. You can check any Facebook page ads, either they are running or not. And as you know, Facebook page and Facebook profile has two different types of pages. So this kind of page it's like a profile. Okay, this kind of pages where I can check the ads. So go to the about section and check the page transparency, and here you can see this page is not currently running ads. And if you want to know more details, just click on see all. Okay, see all, and here is the page information. Ads from this page, this is the point. This page is not currently running ads, so here is the result. And if you want to check the ad library, just go to ad library, and you can also see the ad results. So you can see one results: launched Facebook ads in 2022 March. Here is the statistics. You can see also the impressions, amount spent, estimate audience size, okay, and categories and platforms. They were simultaneously running ads on Instagram and Facebook. So if this business is your competitor, you can know everything their ads running. Okay, so it's really important. So let's check another page, it on charts, and in this page it's pretty much different from our first page. So this kind of page, you have to scroll down and check the page transparency. You will easily find this, but in this page you didn't find any page transparency in this section. So you had to go to the about section and you will see the page transparency. But in this page you don't need to go to about section. Just click on the page transparency and see wall. Click on see wall. Okay, and you can check all the history about these pages, and here you go. This page is currently running ads. So if you just want to know either this page running ads or not, just check this section and get your results. And if you want to know more details, just go to ad library as before, and you will see the active and inactive ads. Okay, so let's check these pages, and here you go, 45 results and 45 results, and you can see the active results running now, and launched December 2022. And this is the first one, 2 ads, and platforms Facebook, Instagram, Messenger as well as, and this is only for Instagram. So you can check all the results here. And if you want to know more details about this, like this ad, okay, so see ad details. You can check their images and what kind of image they are using right now, and videos. So you will get bunch of ideas, so you can apply in your business as well as, because if it's your competitor. All right, I think this video gonna help you to improve your Facebook ads. You can improve your ads and you can grow your business. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.